some cocaine on his back, and I was forced to do the entire rail with my buddy JoJo Stormcloud. I dropped some cocaine on his back.
It's Chili.
Chili. He's a dog, so I call him Chili Dog. And I dropped some cocaine on his back. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili, sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
Chili.
Right, my dog Chili Dog. He's a
So
dog, so I call him Chili Dog.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you
cocaine on his
sniffing
back.
cocaine